Michelle Noel here at the 2019 Movieguide Awards, celebrating top inspirational and uplifting films with the stars of the red carpet. Ready? Hi, Brad. Hi, guys. I have a microphone for you.
Okay. All right. This is Brad Krevoy.
Brad Krevoy. Nice to meet you. And you guys are the producers of When Calls the Heart,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Yes.
I love you guys. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Brian and Brad. Okay. Michelle Noel here from the 2019 Movieguide Awards. Joining me right now is two special folks over at When Calls the Heart. I have Brian Bird and Brett. I'm sorry, I didn't get your last name.
Krevoy.
Krevoy. Okay, and they're here to showcase the When Calls the Heart. First of all, congratulations of your success here and also coming to Movieguide Awards. Can you give us a little teaser about what to expect from this next season?
Well, season 6 is coming February 24th, Sunday night, 8 o'clock on the Hallmark channel, and it continues to go strong, the show.
Yeah.
Christmas night,
Oh, yeah.
we had nearly 5 million people watching our Christmas movie, which was huge because we broke a lot of hearts in the finale of season 5.
Yeah.
So, but a lot of healing came.
Oh, yeah.
And a lot more hope is coming. So.
Especially with the birth of the new child coming
You got it. You know the show.
I know the show, and I know you. Oh, and your books and everything. So I'm really excited. So now, given the fact that we're at the Movieguide Awards, how much does this particular event mean to you guys?
Go ahead, Brian.
Okay. Well, you know, it's always an honor to be recognized. I mean, ultimately, we want the fans to love us, the Hardys, who love the show. But to be honored by your peers in the business is always an honor and a thrill. And we've been on for 6 seasons, and we're finally, I think, reaching sort of a tipping point. Everywhere I go, I don't know if it's like this for you, Brad, but people talk about the show now. Everywhere I go.
How do you deal with those Hardys? I mean, that fan base, it's like, wow, it's like not any other.
Well, we made a few hurties after the season 5, but I think most of them are sticking with us because, we dealt with some real life stuff in season 5, but the show is still all about happy endings and hope, and so that continues, and we're turning a page on a new chapter in Hope Valley, and so we're
the show
thrilled.
started off, with sadness, and then hope came, and now we have another tragedy that came in. But then it's about like how those people came around and helped her.
In real life, stuff happens,
that's
right?
realistic.
But that doesn't mean you lose your hope, right? You kind of get through things, and so we feel that way about our show and about the storytelling, and we're hopeful for more seasons to come.
Oh, I'm sure you guys will, especially with those specials that you guys are throwing at once in a while. I love that. And then, what inspirational quote or biblical wisdom do you guys live by every day?
You know what? I love a term or a phrase, a piece of truth that we used in season 1, and it still applies to When Calls the Heart. Where God guides, God provides.
It's true.
He's done that for the characters in Hope Valley, and he's done that for us as partners on the show. And it's hard to make a show. It really is. It's hard to make a show that people like, and to find an audience and to reach an audience like we have is probably the biggest thrill of my life. I mean,
Hallmark Channel being like the perfect, audience group for you guys as well.
Absolutely.
What advice do you have for filmmakers who want to go into the industry? Knowing that, how crazy Hollywood is.
I'll leave that for you guys.
Oh, okay. Sorry,
Well, I have a really good piece of advice for new voices, right? New writers, directors, actors, producers, art directors, composers, whoever, right? You might think you're God's gift to the world, and maybe you are, but you need to find 3 people who have earned a right to have an opinion to confirm that. Right? Because if it's just you may or may not have what it takes. But if you find 3 champions, people who've been to the wars, right? They're scarred up. They've been in this business and they've worked hard and they've earned the right to have an opinion. If you can find 3 people to tell you that you're good and that you belong here, then you have to go for it. Right? You have to. It would be cheating the world not to go for it. But find 3 people who you trust, who the industry trusts, to say you're gifted, and then you go for it.
I love it. Wow, I didn't expect that Such an educational, informative interview. Thank you guys so much, Brett and Brian. And be sure to catch When Calls the Heart. I'm sure it's coming back in the spring.
It's coming back.
It's coming back.
It's coming back in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks. We're still in spring right now. Okay.
February 24th.
February 24th.
Season 6 premiere.
Season 6. Awesome.
Yep.
I'm Michelle Noel. We're at the 2019 Movie Guide Awards, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you guys so much. That's a wrap here at the 2019 Movie Guide Awards. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you next time. I'm Michelle Noel, signing off from Geek Rock TV. Bye-bye.
You've got a hold on me. You're all I need to get by. I want that old soul. Give me that old soul tonight.
Oh my gosh, Spencer, thank you so much for serenading me right now. I am so excited. You're my first interview today, so I can't even imagine how that's going to be topped off. Okay, and they're here to showcase the When Calls the Heart. First of all, congratulations of your success here and also coming to Movie Guide Awards. Can you give us a little teaser about what to expect from this next season?
Well, season 6 is coming February 24th, Sunday night, 8 o'clock on the Hallmark channel, and it continues to go strong, the show.
Yeah. Okay, I interviewed Brian Bird, I think.
Tonight?
Yes. Yeah, I did. He was here.
He was here?
He was here.
Was or
Brad.
is?
He was here. I have him on tape, for
Okay,
sure.
Brian Bird.
I'll send you a Twitter note on that. And then,
Christmas night,
oh, yeah.
we had nearly 5 million people watching our Christmas movie, which was huge because we broke a lot of hearts in the finale of season 5.
Yeah.
So, but a lot of healing came.
Oh, yeah.
And a lot more hope is coming. So.
Especially with the birth of the new child coming
You
out.
got it.
boy.
You know
So
the show.
I know the show, and I know you. Oh, and your books and everything. So I'm really excited. From the 2019 Movie Guide Awards, I'm Michelle with Michael and Elias. Elias.
It's fine.
We'll put this in the blooper section. And is there any particular projects that we can look out for you in the future?
Yeah, I actually just launched Messy Faith Films,
Okay.
and I wrote a script called Unfaithfully His,
Good
which
for
is a
you.
faith-based
Okay.
film, and we're gonna start crowdfunding it because I want to
Awesome.
do it independently.
Good for you. Girl power all the
Yeah.
way. Go ahead and bring it back to home and family fashion. How am I doing tonight?
Gorgeous. Gorgeous and gray. Gorgeous and
Obviously,
gray.
I've been taking notes. I love your segment.
Oh, that means a lot to me.
Now, Get your microphone.
Hi. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
I'm just going to sing something simple tonight.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And then we'll just do a duet together, and then it'll go viral
Yeah.
on YouTube. And
You'll lose listeners and viewers quickly.
No, you'll be amazed. Right. Thank you so much, David, for being here. Congratulations.
Yeah,
yet again.
thanks for having me.
Another success. Number 3.
Number 3.
God's not dead. He's still alive. She's smart. I just saw you the other day on Shoe Addicted Christmas. Oh my God.
Oh, that
I
was
love
so
that
much fun.
movie. That was probably one of my favorite Hallmark movies of all time now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. We
That was
had a
good
really
one.
good time.
And this was just such an amazing event.
Yeah, you did, guys.
Yeah.
You're great. Thank you so much.
Thank
Brennan.
you.
Folks, be sure to catch the 2019 Movie Guide Awards airing on Hallmark Channel this spring. I'm Michelle Noel with my dear pal, Brennan Elliott, and we hope to see you
Well, we
next
got good
time.
chemistry too, actually,
oh my
don't
God,
we?
thank you so much. Can we please be in the next Hallmark movie? Cheers.
Thanks,
cheers.
guys. Thank you.
I mean, such a controversial topic, and Trump being talked about it, and the whole political situation. That's really good that you're going to be a part of that project and give us a little background about how this all originated.
Yeah, well, let's all go see it, and then we can talk after.
Yeah, I like that. Awesome. John, thank you so much for being here tonight.
Are you kidding me?
I'm, like,
I
so
couldn't
excited.
believe that I was going to get this chance.
Thank you so much for the 2019
great.
Movie Guide Awards. I'm Michelle Noel with John Voight, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Huge fan of you on Bold and the Beautiful, and
thank
so
you.
I'm so glad that you're here tonight. So from the 2019 Movie Guide Awards, I'm Michelle Noel with Jack Wagner, and hopefully we'll see you guys next time.
You're so good.
Thank you